Todd's back as we're starting to chip away at the awful weather pattern. It's still muggy as heck, though. My goodness, it's been a steady stretch. Even on the rainy days, it's been just gross.
Yeah, I was talking about that with, I can't recall, yesterday, just about how, I mean, tropical doesn't even give it, its due justice. Yeah. It's just like, it's so thick and so oppressive.
Like my oldest was here from Florida last week, and he goes,
it's like that.
Ugh, and I go,
I know.
We don't usually get that.
Our family a few years ago took a family vacation to North Captiva Island, which is in the Gulf of Mexico, right off of the west coast of Florida, in August, which was the stupidest thing ever, because it felt like that here, But like, why did we do that then? And we're dealing with the same stuff now. Anyway. We'll get a little break, actually, from humidity later this week. Happy to say that, but it doesn't last too long. And neither has our relatively dry pattern. Yesterday was a good one. There weren't any thunderstorms out there. Today there will be. Flood watches are up for our mountains and all of New Hampshire. The soil is saturated. Some of the rainfall rates with any cell could be up to 2 inches per hour. So again, roads, rivers, streams, they may flood. And a few roads may wash out in some of those areas up in the mountains too. Not as bad as what's been going on over in Vermont, but with our soil so saturated, we've got to be on guard. Nothing to show you on the radar right now. There's the front coming in from the west. There is some fog though, and it's dense in Bar Harbor, Bangor, and Waterville. And there's also a lot of haze and smoke, wildfire smoke, still in our atmosphere. Aaron Myler's with us this morning. In a little bit, he'll talk more on the air quality, which could be a problem for some of you. Temperatures are in the mid-60s, and those dew points are up around the same level. So again, it's very, very humid. Going to be that way all day long. And here comes that front, which will induce some of these drenching showers and storms. But there is a little bubble of high pressure behind this front, and it is going to work in for the middle of our week and drop humidity just enough where you'll feel some relief and you'll want to open up the windows a little bit and let some of that fresher air in, try to air out the house a tad. Hazy, smoky, and some fog out there, so some visibility concerns. Other than that, not much happening. It is already very stuffy out, and there isn't a breeze either this morning to get that air moving. Hazy sunshine for the middle of the day. Downpours reach the mountains at this point. Very warm and muggy across the Pine Tree State. During the afternoon, early evening, there are most of the downpours and thunderstorms in the mountains and up north, several over in New Hampshire too. There will be a breeze that picks up off of the ocean, so the air does get moving. That'll help a little bit, and it will likely bring in some fog along the mid and down east coastlines as well. A lot of these showers and storms stay in the mountains and foothills, but a few will work their way to the coastline, and then they'll fizzle away after sunset. Temperatures reaching the lower and mid 80s inland. For instance, Augusta, 84 degrees today. With that high humidity, it's going to feel pretty hot. A little less hot along the coastline, but super close to 80 for Portland and Wiscasset. Mid 70s, Rockland and Bar Harbor. Tomorrow, that little trough comes through. Slight chance for a storm. Otherwise, a lot of sunshine. And then Thursday's really the day. We get a lot of sun and lower humidity for a brief time, because the humidity levels skyrocket again Friday. Next system works in. More drenching showers and storms are possible Friday into Friday night, and a few lingering storms likely Saturday afternoon, but there will also be some sunshine on Saturday and more expected on Sunday too. Marine forecast: seas 3 to 4, south wind 5 to 10, water 64. I did jump in yesterday. It didn't feel that warm to me. But I'm a softie, so I'm not like Goldie, who's at the beach all the time, jumping in with his kiddos.
Right now.
Hazy sun, afternoon storms possible today, especially in the mountains. Tomorrow, hazy sun, hot. We're looking at mid-80s, isolated storm in the afternoon. Thursday, sunshine, lower humidity. Humidity levels rocket again. First showers and storms on Friday and Saturday. We're mostly in the 70s there. But Sunday and Monday looking good with increasing amounts of sunshine. And some pretty good temps too if you like summer. And who doesn't? You liked it.
I do.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Beach tomorrow. That's good. Thank you. Appreciate it.